guys, it's Jessie here and welcome today to a new video. Now guys, in this video I want to talk about what bag to buy if you want to hop on your Chanel journey bag after the prices have increased in 2023. So I know there are a bunch of videos that talk about the aggressive price increase of Chanel, the pros and cons of that, so I don't actually want to make that video about that. We all know what Chanel did and what the trend is kind of like starting to be like. But I want to focus upon all of you guys who are still interested in buying a Chanel bag, even though the prices have aggressively been increasing the past couple of years. You guys are thinking like, which bag should I invest my money in, okay? Or which bag should I buy? Which one is the best one to buy? So I'm not actually going to procrastinate and make it a super long video. I'm going to start off with my two best options, to which I believe are the best bags to start your Chanel bag collection. And I have like one that is my favorite and that I think is the best investment that you could make right now, and is actually the Chanel mini flat bag with a handle. This I believe is like the #1 top investment that if you're wanting a Chanel bag and if you want to like make like a quick start of your journey, this is one bag that it's the time right now to buy it before it increases a lot in price. And the second bag that I believe is a great investment if you're doubting about it is the Chanel Classic Single Flap in the size small. So as you can see, I have the two classic bags here which I recommend to start your Chanel bag journey. And the reason for that is, out of all the research that I've done, so many people, if you want to start buying Chanel bags, if you like start with a trendy CC or a wallet on chain or something, I always read that people regret making that their first Chanel purchase, that they later regret not waiting just a little bit longer to have like the actual bag that they want. And I mean, like, it's like a staple piece of Chanel to have like one of the classics bags. So that's why I say like the first bag that you should buy from Chanel is one of their classic pieces. So I'm going to start off by a reasoning why these two bags are the best buy to start your Chanel collection with. And as I said, like, this is like my #1, but if you have like the option to buy this one, this is also like a great purchase. So reason #1 why I think like one of these should be your first purchase is because the way Chanel increases the prices of these two bags. So the classic flap, single flap, is one that increased this year, I think, by 16%. So it's a very steep increase in price if you think about it. Others have increased maybe 6 to 8%, but this is one of the highest increases in price. So this is a very much wanted bag. I feel like that's the reason why Chanel increases this one so much. It's so wanted. I've talked to people who had like, you know, a waiting list of 2 years for this bag. I got lucky by just going into the store and finding it at the moment. But there are people who have been like on a waiting list for a very long time, and it's a little bit of a matter of luck. If you're in luck when they have it, when you hop into a store, I think Chanel prefers that. And if you kind of like have a feeling with your essay, or if they kind of like bond with you at that moment, they will try to sell you or come with this bag as it is available, of course. So I think buying a small one, because of the price increases the past couple of years, is a great investment. There isn't a huge difference between this one comparison to what it fits and to the medium. So I think this is a great price-wise, great way to invest. Now, getting to this mini flap with handle, I think this is price-wise the best that you can get for your money, because this is, I think, maybe 60% of the price of this one. So this sells at 5,150 at this moment after the price increase euros. I don't know what it is in the US dollars, but compared to this, which I said, it's not a huge difference into what it fits, actually into the small and the mini flap. So regarding to that, I think this is a beautiful starting bag. Also, I think in as I said, like it fits a lot, so you can fit like a lot into it. And as I said, like it comes with a handle, so I think it's a classic Chanel piece to have it wear two ways, because you have the rectangular mini flap without a handle. And I've read like so many things about that, that people hate that it's just like a long strap chain instead of having it like both ways to wear it like this, and also have like the chain with it. So that for me is one of the biggest pros of this. Like price wise, you get as much bag, almost as much bag as the small one versus the medium, and so forth. So this would be like great in price wise and the bag you're getting. And moving to reason number two is that the resale market price. So we're sticking to the price here. So if you're looking to how this bag, like the availability of the bag, and also how it sells on the resale market, this is one, I believe, as well with this one, the highest resale prices that you get on the market. I think the reason for this is because the small bags have been really popular in a couple last years, but also because they're actually just pretty popular and high in demand, and very, very rare to get on the neutral colors, or staple colors that so many want. So they're very hard bags to get your hands upon. So in terms of a great investment or price wise, these two bags I would say recommend to buy just at the Chanel store. And it also adds to that first experience that you get buying your first Chanel bag, that you get to buy it within a store, not pre-loved, because the pre-loved market is higher in the resale prices. So you can get actually a new bag that is really beautiful and get your Chanel store experience, because the resale price is very high on these bags. So great investment pieces, but also one to think about, like it's best to get them in the Chanel store. So reason number three why I think these two bags are awesome options to buy is the wearability of it. So the reason why I'm talking about the wearability is because they're very versatile. As I said, like talking about this mini flat bag, you can wear it in a handle, but you can also wear it with this chain. So it's crossbody, or if you're long enough, you can wear it like on one shoulder as well. And the wearability of it, it's gorgeous. A lot of space, especially if you buy it in neutral colors. A lot of options. You got here a lot of options. And in terms of bigness and small, it fits a lot. You can wear it during the day, but also at night. So it's a very versatile bag, what I believe. And that in terms of wearability, you get your wear out of it. So in terms of how you spend your money and how you're getting back your money into using a purse, I think this is like the best option. So the second best is of course the small one. I think it's the same. This bag is not too large. As I read into the reviews talking about the medium or the jumbo, I've read that so many found that the jumbo was just too big to carry like all day and so forth. And the double flap also made the purse pretty heavy. So opting for a single flap, and then in the small version you get to wear it during the day, but also it's just really, really beautiful to wear at night and go out. So you have like two options. So as I said, like there's not like a huge difference in sizes, and that is what makes it very, I think, a little bit difficult. So the last thing that I want to talk about, which makes this bag a pretty good investment, is though they are hard to find, you can find super beautiful colors, neutral color tones within these bags. And what I mean by that is, especially the mini flap, they every season they come in a variety of colors, which are very, very beautiful, but also in the neutral tones. So you've got like a lot of options to choose from. There's always one that you'll find beautiful and it might be available for you. So in terms of the variation and the variety of the colors and things, you can go a long way with the mini flap with the handle. And the same goes for the Chanel small flat bag. There are a lot of beautiful colors within this that are very neutral that you can get to wear and to combine with so many clothes that is just worth to invest in this one, even though this has increased a lot in price. So these are kind of like my thoughts why I picked like these two bags to be your first Chanel bag, which I believe this one is actually the best one that you should start up with. But if you are someone who likes to get like one of the bigger size, then I would suggest you go with the small. But as I said, buying one of the classic pieces is my go-to. Do not start with the trendy CC. Do not start with the wallet on chain or something like that, because the reason for that is they do not increase that much in price as these two, and you can find actually pretty good pre-loved ones on the resale market. So guys, I hope that this video has been informative for you guys and that the ones who want to step into this whole Chanel bag journey find this helpful, and let me know in the comment box down below what you think. Which one would you buy first with these crazy increased prices, or are you saying, you know, you're done with Chanel and moving on to another brand? For now, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye!